Alright, my little bookworms, I got a great one for you today. But first, it's time to get on your listening hat. So I'm assuming you've got it. Now put it on. And you know what that means. It's time for quiet time, so we don't miss any of the story. So I have a really great book today. It's called The Snitch. And I thought it'd be really fun. Every time we talk about the snitch, we make a snurchy like face and scary. So let's practice. Snitch. 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 You decide what your snitch looks like while we read. And I'll let you know when it's time. You'll see a little something going on the screen. Let's get started. But first I have to put on my seeing eyeglasses so that I can see the words. So now I have on my listening hat, so I'll listen to the story, and my seeing eyeglasses so I can see the words of The Snitch. This book is written by Sean Farrell, and pictures are by Charles Santoso, which we know what pictures mean. That means illustrated, right? Ruthie has a problem at school. It's not the students. It's not the classroom. It's not the reading or the writing or the math. What do you think it is? It's the snitch. Teacher says, Ruthie, please take your seat. There is her seat. And there is the snitch. Did we miss one? Nope. The snitch is lots of things. Nice is not one of them. The snitch is scribbly and scrunchy. The snitch is grabby and burpy and rude. And the snitch is always with Ruthie. Uh-oh. When teacher calls on Ruthie, the snitch throws her pencils and Ruthie forgets the question. During recess, the snitch makes rude noises and no one wants Ruthie to play. And when everyone draws in art class, the snitch becomes terribly, truly terrible. It hides, it waits. When teacher asks if anyone wants to share their work, it leaps and it grabs and it crumbles and makes sure no one will like George's drawing. Teacher says, Ruthie, that's not okay. Wasn't me, said Ruthie. It was the snitch. No one has a life as difficult as Ruthie. Whole minutes later, Ruthie tries to draw something pretty, or cute, or happy. But all that comes out of her crayons is unhappy scribbles. The snitch is no help. Ruthie looks really hard at the snitch. Ruthie draws. Art class ends and teacher asks if anyone would like to share. No one is more surprised than Ruthie when she stands up. No one except the snitch. I will, says Ruthie. Uh-oh. She shows the class her drawing, and her classmates look. It's what throws our pencils, says someone. It's what makes weird noises, says another. It's what drew on my drawing, said George. Ruthie knows that the snitch wants to run away and hide. I'm sorry about that, says Ruthie. That's okay, says George. And I like your drawing. And then another kid says the same. And another until everyone agrees. Ruthie has drawn a wonderful snitch.